In this video, we'll demonstrate what is known in the industry as a butt joint. We'll use a linear bar grill for this demonstration. The purpose of a butt joint is to allow several separate sections of a product look like they are one continuous length. The parts of a butt joint include an alignment tab that sits in the raceway and an alignment plate mounted on the inside piece of the frame. How does the joint work? Simply align the plate and the alignment tab and push the two sections together. The alignment tab will slide into place in the raceway. Shoemaker products feature signature line marks that are visible lines on the surface of the frame that line up when the pieces of the joints are assembled. There are two holes on the alignment plate that we recommend you secure with the screws we provide. We also recommend taking a flathead screwdriver and a mallet to firmly tap the raceway, securing it to the alignment tab, which helps secure the fit. Since this particular grill has 3 pieces, we just repeat the steps for the other joint. What you see from the front of the assembled product is a nice, continuous, clean-looking frame with a joint hidden on the back side of the grill.